Today in the Retro Tech repair shop I have a Porsche 928's radio controlled car from the 1970s. Not working. Let's see if we can fix it. Right, what can I tell you about this? It says vintage late 70s radio controlled Porsche 928's boxed, not working. This might be due to the state of the battery compartment, perhaps. Someone might have the know-how how to get it working again. The car itself is in otherwise very good condition. Let's see photos. Let's have a little look. What have we got in the box? Car, aerial, and a remote. Put that to the side. You can already see something that looks like battery contamination down here. Right, I think for a change I will open the remote and see what condition that's in. Right, so first quick see. Aerial, an aerial cable there. Seems to be intact. And then we have the negative on the battery there, the positive there. Contacts extremely dirty. And that's obviously the switch you press for the movement, I would assume, just as a single press button. I can see that contact is in a right state in there. Okay, let's put that to that side. Let's have a look at this battery compartment on the car. Just a very slight problem. So we have a 9-volt battery there with some, obviously someone's put a new battery connector on there and just put some insulation tape over it. Battery contacts themselves are completely destroyed. So we've got a full strip down and battery contact replacement on the car to do. And we've got basically a bit of maintenance and cleaning up on the transmitter to do. Okay, the initial look, the capacitor there, the corrosion's gone through onto the contact there. Let's take this board off and have a look, see what's underneath it. Okay, first look at the circuit board. Doesn't seem to be any particular damage on that area there. Problem obviously is with the cabling inside. What I think I'm going to do first is I'm going to replace all these battery contacts and sort out the 9-volt cable wire problems here. The power supply comes up to here. I'm going to check this capacitor. I'm probably going to replace that capacitor anyway and sort out these connections as well. Have a good clean up of the board. I'm going to do the repair work that I can see is a problem first before I get to do a first function test on it. Just going to check this capacitor down here. It's all corroded. I'll replace it anyway. But it's 47 microfarad and 10 volt. So I just want to see if it survived. 64. Okay, I'll replace that anyway when I do the battery contacts. Some of these connections are almost completely eaten through. got a cable there that's a bit crushed. I think I'll replace that cable. Just want to get all the contamination off this board. Alright, going to replace the battery contacts now with a new set. Make sure there's AA batteries that it takes, and it is. So this is the AA contact sets. Might need to modify them slightly to get them to fit. I'm replacing some of the cabling that was either too short or perished. I've got to put a capacitor, a new capacitor, between these 2 points here and sort out the 9-volt battery connections. I can then remount the board and give it a try. I've got a new capacitor to replace the original one. This one should be 47 microfarad, so we'll just give it a quick test. 47. Okay, I'm going to install this here. Just got to connect the 0 volts from the batteries now. At some point in the past, somebody has obviously taken this apart, and when they put it back together again, they crimped that cable, caught it. So I'm just going to remake that off. Okay, that's everything wired back on, connected up. So I'm going to put some batteries in this, and I'm going to give it a try, see what happens. Okay, let's go in reverse. Switch it on. So it is transmitting. When you press the button, it causes it to drive forwards, and when you let go, it defaults to going in reverse. Let's just demonstrate that. So we switch it on, it goes in reverse. Press the button. Excellent. So it seems to be working.